String calculator Kata exercise 8. Allow multiple delimiters instead of just a single delimiter. The 8th requirement is that it should be possible to supply more than one custom delimiter string. So I add a test case called add line with multiple custom delimiter strings returns correct result. It requires an instance of the SOT, 2 delimiter strings, and 3 integers x, y, and z. The numbers input string is formatted with the correct custom delimiter declaration, followed by the 3 integers x, y, and z, and delimited by the 2 custom delimiter strings. The actual value is the result of invoking add on the SOT. The expected value is the sum of x, y, and z. Finally, the test verifies that the expected and actual values are equal to each other. Currently, the test throws an exception before the assertion, so according to the red-green refactor process, I must first put the SOT in a state where I see the test fail as expected. I do that by returning -1 if the input string contains more than one opening square bracket. The test now fails as expected, which prompts me to remove the condition I just added and instead change the implementation. First, I extract a method for getting the custom delimiter strings, as it's going to become a bit too complex to do in line. I don't like the extracted method signature, so I remove the delimiter's input parameter. Now I can implement the method. First, I extract the envelope by taking the substring of the input string until a closing bracket followed by a new line character is found. Next, I assign the envelope string to a local variable and declare a list of strings to hold the delimiters I find. This will be the array returned from the function. Now I create a loop until the s variable is empty. Inside that loop, I first find the position of the closing bracket by using the indexOf method. Next, I add the appropriate substring to the list of delimiter strings. Finally, I reassign the s variable by removing the substring I just used. All tests now pass.